Moving on to the replace method. So we saw this in the series. There are many ways to replace values in a data frame. It makes the replace a little bit more difficult to use just because there's so many ways to use the method. So there are two primary ways. One is to use two arguments. The other is to use a dictionary. I'm going to show you both. So replace, if you press Shift Tab, see the two first arguments, to replace, so the one you want to replace, and then value. So let's just say we want to replace, this is the San Francisco employee compensation data set. I've dropped the year column. I've rounded all the numbers to 10,000 or to the nearest 10,000. This will help us just replace more values. So say we want to replace 10,000 with 9999. So you can do it as two separate ones like this. Or you can actually use a dictionary. So some people like to use a dictionary that just maps value. So 10,000 to 9999, like that. And you can see they both work. So here is the replaced value. Every 10,000 in the entire data set gets replaced. You can, obviously replace strings as well. And I'll use a dictionary here. So let's say public protection. Just replace that with PEP, and you'll see that. So it's got to match the exact value here, not a substring. Now you can so let's say you want to replace values in only a specific column. So say in the overtime column, I want to replace 0 with nan. So you do this. You have to use a dictionary of dictionary. So this is a little confusing. It's kind of hard to see. So for this one, I already have it typed out. Notice this is a dictionary of dictionary. So the keys map to a dictionary. So for this, it says for this specific column, I want to use this type of replacement. So 0 is going to be nan. 60,000 will now go to 99,999. In the retirement column, I want to make 0 map to -999. So you do that. So here's the retirement column. So this 0 is now here, has been replaced. And then in the overtime column, we have all the zeros replaced with nans, and then that 160,000 is replaced with 99,999, like that. So you use a dictionary of dictionaries. So, right, so a single dictionary looks at the entire data frame. A dictionary of dictionaries allows you to pinpoint a very specific column to use. All right, replacing substrings. If we say we want to replace, just say the word health by, we'll just say HLH, like this. Or let's just say community. Let's do a different one with com, like that for short. This will not work. And I know you see community right here. This species is looking for the exact string, and instead we have to set this regex parameter to true to treat this as a regular expression, and then it will replace substrings like that. Again, regex has its own section of the book with many chapters. It goes very deep into regex, so you'll definitely want to check that out to learn about regular expressions. All right, so that's it for the replace method for data frames.